Lesson 38, Instructions for Creating Tables, Word Drills. There should be 11 tasks. And this is working with tables in Word. If you want to increase the size of the window, go ahead and maximize. Again, to click into the actual document so it's active, you can just left click or you can do Control F9. So they want a table that is 3 columns and 4 rows. So insert table, and we'll go with 3 columns and 4 rows. Click in the last one. So click so that you're in A1, and this is B1 and C1. To get to C1, press Tab twice, and then press Enter, and it'll increase the height of the row. Now, with your cursor in that third cell, in order to get it back to the regular size, just press backspace. And then they want you to select the box with the arrows in it is selecting the entire table, and they want it on the ruler at the 3-inch mark. So hold when you have those 4 arrows and just drag it down to the 3-inch mark and let go. Right now we have 4 rows and we want to add one more. So just click the plus sign and you get a 5th row. This time they want 2 columns and 4 rows, so insert table, but instead of doing it from here, so 2 columns and 4 rows, it'll be wrong. What they want you to do is click table, insert table, and then you can put in exactly how many columns you want and how many rows you want. Same thing though. Row 1 usually contains the column heading, so in A1 type name, and then tab and type position. Check your work and continue. For the next one, you'll type the names under the name column, and then not the semicolon, but in the position column, you'll type chairman of the board. Remember to use tab to go from one column to the next, and then to the next row, also tab. Check your work and continue. In here, just click in position, the second row, and you'll type chairman of the board. And instead of pressing tab twice, you can just press your down arrow once. Check your work and continue. We want a new row at the bottom of the table. Again, if you hover, you'll have that insert control command, and go ahead and click it, and you get a new row. And then in the empty row, go ahead and fill in the information. Check your work and continue. And that's good. So I'd like to do 39 as well. So 39, table tools, layout, word drills. And then launch. This one also has 11 tasks. And I'm going to increase the display window. So click anywhere in the table, and right now there's a lot of space in the first column that's empty, and the same as the second column. So Autofit is going to shrink it to only be the width that it needs to be. So go ahead and choose Table Tools Layout. Under Cell Size, choose Autofit Contents. So it shrinks it to the width that it needs. Now this they want to go back to, so it spreads both columns of equal width all the way to the margin, so the whole window. So again, click anywhere inside or click the entire table. So you click the square with the arrows in it, so it's the entire table, and it's the same location, Table Tools Layout, Cell Size, Autofit, and choose Autofit Window. So it's the full size of the window. Again, we're going to add a new row, and then it goes to the next one. And then you'll type the information here. Check your work and continue. So this one, again, it's too wide and they want you to manually make it smaller. So right now, this is where it's about halfway in the middle of the document. And what you're going to do is bring it to the 2-inch marker. And how you do that is you hover on the boundary between the two columns and it changes to double arrows. Hold and drag till it's at the 2-inch mark. And then do the same thing here. So 2 inches would be at the 4. So wait till you have the double arrows, hold and drag so you're at the 4. To center this so it's horizontally in the middle of the page, click the button to highlight the entire table, and there it is in the mini toolbar, center horizontally. So click anywhere in column A, doesn't matter where you are, and instead of, they want it at 2.2, the width of it, but they don't want it to do it manually, so click Table Tools Layout, choose Size, and for the width, you want it 2.2. In column B, Table Tools Layout, Cell Size, they want the width 1.4. In row 1, click anywhere on row 1, they want the height of the row changed. So Table Tools Layout, Cell Size, and the height will be 0.3. They want, so right now if you look at Sales Representative and Region, it's centered, but it's at the top of the cell. They want it dropped down so it's in the middle. So use your arrow in the far left so you select the entire row. And then in Table Tools Layout, under Alignment, you want Center Align. So it's in the center of each cell. This is that horizontal again, so click to select Table and Center. And that's it. Thank you.